Getting the iOS 18 beta is an exciting way to try new features before everyone else. First, you need to join the Apple Beta software program. You can do this by visiting the Apple website and signing in with your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, you're going to find instructions for downloading the beta. All right, now before you start, it's important to back up your phone. This way, if anything goes wrong, you're not going to lose your data. You can back up using iCloud or connect your phone to a computer. Next, go to the settings on your iPhone. Tap the profile download and then follow the prompts to install the beta profile. I'll put this all in the description. Basically, after the profile is installed, restart your device, and once it's on, go to settings and then tap general and then software update. You should see the iOS 18 beta available for download. Click download and install. This may take some time depending on your internet connection. After it's done, your phone will restart and you'll be ready to explore all the new features in the iOS 18. Just remember, beta versions can have bugs, so use it carefully and enjoy. Let me know if this helped in the comments.